my friend Samuel.
Hi, this is me Sam.
In today's video, we are going to do an activity.
What is the activity, friend?
It's the Thirukkural Olai Chuvadi.
Shall we go now?
Yes, let's go. To make a Thirukkural Olai Chuvadi, we need printed paper, chart paper, scissors, punching machine and a rope. First, we need to cut the paper. We need to cut like single pieces. I'll show you. We need to cut all the papers like this. We need to punch here and here. I am going to prepare the chapter Kalvi like this, and we also need to write the meanings. Did you enjoy the activity? Well, if
Punch the subscribe button
and bell button, and don't forget to click the like button. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Shall we go now?
Yes.